Thank you, Rapunzel. You have made us look so pretty. Elsa, now let's go home. Finally, we reached home. Now we have to prepare for the party and see what kids are doing. Yes, Anna, you're right. Let's see what kids are doing. Oh my God! Look at the room. It's in such a mess. And where are the kids? Oh my. Seriously, it's in such a mess. The room is dusty. The clothes are on the floor. Oh God. And party is on our head. Anna, we are not going to clean the kids' room. The kids are supposed to clean their own room. They should be responsible. We are going to prepare for the party and these kids are going to clean their own room. Let me go and see where these guys are. Yes, Elsa, you're right. The kids should clean their own room. Anyways, we have so much of work pending for the party. I'll go and buy stuffs from the supermarket and you go and tell the kids to clean the room. Elsa, I just love this cartoon. I can watch all day. Oh yes, Aurora. Even I can watch these cartoons the entire day. I just love them. So much fun, na? Elsa, Aurora, what are you guys doing? You guys are watching TV? There is so much of work. Look at your room. Come with me. See? Look at your room. It's so messy. The clothes are on the floor. The room is dusty. You haven't watered your plants. How much work will I do? Oh God, so much work is pending for the party and you guys have kept your room so messy. And you have to first clean your room and then only do everything else. Watching TV. Yes, Aunt Elsa. We are sorry. Our room is actually very messy. We will first clean our room and then do everything else. You don't be angry. Elsa, we don't have to worry. We can divide our work, okay? You can do the dusting, I'll water the plants, and we can call our broom and the vacuum cleaner and they can help us out. What say? We can do this and we can quickly clean our room. Oh, Brooms, can you come here and please dust the floor? Vacuum cleaner, can you come and help us out? Aurora, you water the plants and I'll do the dusting. Let's start with this and let's do it quickly. Let's start cleaning. Let me first clean the mirror with the water. Let me now clean the TV. Now let me water the plants. Let me start cleaning the bookshelf now. And now let me start cleaning the cupboard. Last but not the least, the front area of the bed. I'll clean now. Elsa, there are so many clothes on the floor. Let me get the rack. Let us put the clothes on the rack. Yeah, put the clothes on the hanger and then arrange it properly. The clothes are arranged on the hanger. Yay! The final work is also done. We have arranged our clothes and our room is clean. Let me call Aunt Elsa. Aunt Elsa, see, our room is clean now and we have also watered the plants. Are you happy now? Wow! The room is looking so clean and neat. Well done, girls. I'm very happy and proud of you. Thank you.